We can also add for description. So I guess it was too long. And then to there, here you can also put a button. Can add an auto layout, and then can adjust this. Can just add the field first. And so we can add an auto layout again, like this. So it'll be like when you move it, you can just move it as you want, you know. So yeah, does anyone have any question? So that's how an auto layout works.
I don't have any question as everything is going very well.
Very what?
I don't have any question.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyone else, maybe? Okay. Please. Hello, evidence.
Yeah. Hello. Good day, everyone. So I have a little question about the blog website that we're working on. Sorry, can you hear me?
I'm sorry, what?
I said, can you hear me? Can you hear what I'm saying?
I'm sorry, I don't get what you said.
No, I said I have a question as regards the blog website that we're working on.
Oh, all right. You want to show the blog site?
No, I'm just asking a question. Are we going to make like the mobile version or just the web?
Oh, you can make it responsive. You know, like there's mobile version and there's desktop.
As well.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to learn the responsive design, right? That is mobile version, tab version, and desktop version.
Yes, that's right.
All right, thanks.
Okay. Has anyone here has the projects done?
I have just for the web. That was why I asked if I was supposed to make the mobile or make the design responsive.
Oh, your design is already done?
Just for the web, the mobile, the blog websites. I'm about starting our group is about starting the e-commerce this week.
Okay, so it's already on the high fidelity, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, can you show us maybe?
All right, that's fine.
Okay, okay, sure. It's okay. Okay, okay, we have passed 1 hour. So if you guys have any question about Figma or about anything about how to use the tools or the features or any ideas about it, you guys can prepare the questions for the next meeting, I guess.
Oh, okay, that sounds good.
Sure.
So next meeting will be held at probably Saturday, right? So
I'm sorry, what? Can you repeat?
when will be the next meeting? Next week or?
Oh, I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
I will be informed with that. Just prepare with it, and yeah, I like you guys to be more interactive and communicative too.
Oh, okay, so we can ask question.
And if you want to ask ask question, we're not like oftenly met, and you guys can just ask me here. I will give you my ID.
Okay.
You can ask me right there, okay? Just about Figma, okay?
Okay.
You guys have Telegram or maybe WhatsApp?
Yes, so we have Telegram and WhatsApp.
Okay. Here's I will share you my Telegram, okay?
Okay.
This is my ID. Okay, so that's my ID. You can just type, ask me questions or text me any of things about Figma or projects or anything, okay?
Okay.
Great. So what?
So I have a couple of questions. I will ask you next meeting. So as we have no time.
Yes. Okay. You can ask me on the Telegram too. That's fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm open for any questions. It's okay.
That's it. Yes.
Any other you wanna say?
No, I have just added you on my Telegram. I have sent.
All right. Sure. You can ping me right there.
Oh yes, I have sent a message.
Okay, so I'll see you guys next meeting. It's so nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah. Have a good night.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you. Have a good night, everybody.
Have a good night, everyone.